Alright, hi, I'm Chris. This is our channel, Two Wheels Big Life. Today I just want to give you a couple of suggestions on how to keep all of your gadgets charged up while you're out on a long distance motorcycle trip, or even a short distance one. Who hates having a phone that is not charged? First one is have multiple ports on your motorcycle, so that when you are out riding and exploring, everything stays topped off. It also saves you time in camp so that you're not tethered to something. The different type of plugs that you could have on your motorcycle is on my Nelson Rig Adventure bag. I have what's called a European plug that I can plug right into the bike. Or you have the battery tender, the American style plug. And the other one is a cigarette lighter type. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, well, golly, Chris, the only thing I want to charge up is a phone. So what are you talking about having multiple plugs? Well, I'm saying this just for us, or if you want to carry some other things that you want to charge. We're trying to run a YouTube channel off of our motorcycles right now. So let me go over the things that we're trying to charge. First up is the phone. Then we have a plethora of GoPro batteries, iPad, rechargeable flashlights, rechargeable power banks, and a small rechargeable speaker. Rechargeable is awesome, but you got to be able to recharge it, right? So that's why I say multiple plugs on your motorcycle. Another tip for you is kind of a no-brainer. Make sure that you use those ports every time that you're riding. I know it seems like a no-brainer, but it does require a tad bit of forethought to make sure that you are plugging in everything before you head out. There's been times Richard and I going down the road and we have forgotten to plug in something, and we're always pulling over and making sure all of our ports are being utilized. Another tip is that you carry some type of power bank with you. Now we have two of these. They came in a pack of two. They're called Mayati. They are 10,000 milliamp hours. They're fast charging, and they're about the size of a deck of cards. They're very lightweight, very small, can stick them anywhere. They work out fabulous. The other thing that we carry is this Blue Eddy EB55 portable power station. Yeah, buddy. We have a whole review video that we have done on this. We'll link it over here. Everything that I have mentioned in this video is in the description down below if you're interested in checking them out. Those are some of my quick tips for keeping things charged out on the road. If there is something that I have forgotten to mention or haven't mentioned, then you guys utilize it. Put it in the comments below so that we can all learn something new. Y'all ride safe this summer, and we'll see you out on the road.